Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class and our today's topic is fill in the blanks number 1 to 5. So let's start our class. Everybody please look at the board. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Today we will learn only 5 fill in the blanks. Number 1 is Pat ran to mother. Pat ran to mother. Pat ran to mother. Look at the board, students. Pat ran to mother. R-A and ran. R-A and ran. R-A and ran. So Pat dashed to mother. If I say Pat dash to mother, then the correct answer will be ran. R-A and ran. So the full sentence then will be Pat ran to mother. Now number 2. Anne has a dash. Anne has a dash. Anne has a dash. So what will be in the dash? It will be fan. Anne has a fan. F-A and fan. F-A and fan. So Anne has a fan. Now number 3. Number 3 is mother has a dash for Anne. Mother has a dash for Anne. Mother has a dash for Anne. So the correct answer will be Pat. P-A-D, Pat. P-A-D, Pat. P-A-D, Pat. So number 3 is mother has a pat for Anne. Now number 4. I dash my teeth every day. I dash my teeth every day. I dash my teeth every day. So what will be in the dash? It will be brush. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. So what will be the spelling of brush? B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. So number 4 is I brush my teeth every day. Now the last one, number 5 is Susan is a dash. Susan is a dash. Susan is a dash. So what will be in the dash? It will be teacher. So Susan is a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. So number 5 is Susan is a teacher. So let's start from number 1. Once again. Number 1 is Pat ran to mother. Anne has a fan. Number 3 is mother has a pat for Anne. Now number 4 is I brush my teeth every day. And the last one, number 5 is Susan is a teacher. And students, your homework will be fill in the blanks number 1 to 5. That means this 5 fill in the blanks. This 5 fill in the blanks is your homework. Okay? Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.